Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view zip files in Telegram. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and navigate to the conversation or channel where you've received or sent files. Tap on its name to enter the chat. Next, locate the zip file you want to view. If you're having trouble finding it, tap on the chat or channel name at the top of the screen. From there, go to the Files section. You should see all the files shared in that chat or channel. To open the zip file, simply tap on its name. A new window will pop up. In this window, select Extract at the bottom right of the screen. Now you can see all the contents of the zip file. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your zip file. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.